crowd on a Sunday. Thank you for joining us, and everybody watching on Studio 23 and live streaming natin on UAPsports.tv, and everybody chatting on Twitter, talking about the games. You guys are the ones making a lot of noise for the UAP volleyball tournament. We are on season 75 as Zia Hervacio serves. 8 serving 4. First ball goes to Gem. Go back row to Hervacio. Easy ball for UST. Let's see what they do. They open up to Banaticla. Oh, great dive by Lazaro. Lazaro leads the league in digs, by the way. Lantin is the best setter so far. And that's why she has been so solid and so steady. And I keep saying this because she's under the radar, you know? She just keeps it very simple and efficient.
That's right. And just the same in the first set, she was very effective. But then again, talagang inaabangan natin dito is for the other players to step up because she's just one person who's contributing. Kailangan sila Caballero and Banaticla, most especially, should really start piling on the point.
Nakakadalawa na dito ang UST. Humahabol. 6 serving 8. Liza Valdez. Kainglet. Great flick of the wrist, and kita-kita natin from our angle here.
And the elevation also of Phil Kainglet. You saw how she was on top of her blockers. What's even better is that she has hand time. So you can see her adjust in mid-air and see where she wants to bring the ball.
Let's greet Robbie Domingo, who's watching right now.
Of course.
On TV.
Of course.
Tumiming lang, nakita ko yung text. Maraming salamat, ating kapamilya. Si Robbie Domingo as Ateneo gets to a 4-point lead here. Saya kasi mga basketball player nanonood, yung mga celebrities like Nikki and Robbie are all here
and
watching.
Really where, that's how you'll see that, you know, volleyball has really come a long way. Everyone is really appreciating the game.
All ages too, and I've seen some grandparents and their grandkids being exposed to this wonderful game as UST calls a timeout, down 5.
Ang advantage mo, malit ang blocker mo doon. Ang pinipilit mong i-cross yung palo mo. Sabi nga sa'yo, yung depensa doon, naghihintay lang sa'yo eh. Lauren, idikit mo naman konti, hirap na hirap yung spiker mo. Ikaw na kaya doon pumalo, ibuka mo na lang. Oo, di ba si Judy nandun sa zone 4, gitna ka? Ha? Parang hindi na kayo nahirapan magtakbuhan. Buka mo na lang, buka.
What's happening here, Anne, for UST? Down again by 5.
I thought earlier they already realized it's difficult to go up against Ateneo na lamang ang Ateneo because in the first set they had a difficult time in really inching closer to Ateneo, but still the lack of aggressiveness and seems like the lack of presence of mind.
And errors, no, like that reception error, and Marge Tejada getting them a point. 6-point lead in the second set. Ateneo looking good here. UST still searching for form. Caballero finding a hole. UST crowd here also at the arena looking for something to celebrate. A couple of plays that could get them going here. Now we have Ortiz back front line as the Calamba native Maru Banaticla serves.
Good block by Ortiz.
Block by Ortiz.
Sorry, Anne, go ahead.
Judging from the body language of UST, it seems that they lack aggressiveness today. Like they're just going with the flow.
That didn't drop long. That is not going to help their cause here today. They don't want to be down 2 sets against an Ateneo team which seems to be fluid so far. Micah's asking for it, but they give it to Caballero. Nice find at the corner.
Court attack by Caballero.
Loren Lantin, so far, the best setter in the league in the early season. After a couple of games. But again, errors compounding the woes of the Golden Tigresses. Maganda yung linalaro ng kalaban mo, parang natutulungan mo pa by giving 3 points, ano?
And that's what you don't want to do.
First clean attack. Micah Ortiz today. Just look at that. And they are unable to react. Caballero, good serve. Kainglet able to dig it up. Gervasio for the approach. Bumalik yung bola. Yun na naman si Tejada.
Oh!
Another gift for
Tejada.
She used a closed fist for that, if I'm not mistaken. Wait till this girl gets a little stronger, gets more match fit, ano? Still has a very young body, obviously a fresh recruit for Coach Roger, but a lot of promise for Marge Tejada.
But you see, the skill is really there.
Yes, and the instinct. Ferrer, quick. And then opens up to Valdez, who's already in the front line, and that's always bad news for the other team.
Second technical time.
16-10, Kit Kat break. Get ready for what's next. Have a break, have a Kit Kat.